Hello to my Johnston Community College English 112 students, Fall 2019, Week 14. Yes, this is the week before Thanksgiving. All right, fantastic. So what are we going to do this week? We are introducing the final presentation assignment. That is the final presentation assignment. We don't have a final test, we have a final presentation. People hear presentation, they get all freaked out. You know what? It's going to be okay. It really is. It will be okay. There is some good information in your textbook about designing text for a presentation, which you'll be able to find. And then for this week, you have until the 5th of December really to submit your editorial, opinion editorial, but the link is here in this week. So there's a whole lecture here on the presentation, okay, and what needs to be done. You do not have to record yourself doing video. You do not have to record yourself speaking. All you have to do is create the PowerPoint or any kind of presentation that you feel comfortable doing. The assignment here is right. The information for the final presentation is right here. Okay. Again, it should be 5 to 10 minutes long. Again, how am I going to time that? If we were doing this in real life, you guys would then stand in front of the class and do this. But for this, we're just going to actually include the information that's actually on the assignment. And again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time in this video because there is a whole other video that explains all about the presentation and what you're supposed to be doing, which is right there. So watch this video to understand more about this presentation. And then here is the link for your opinion editorial. Again, that's not due until the 5th of December because there's nothing due. We have nothing due, or we have nothing going on next week because it is Thanksgiving. So you can get, if you want to get your stuff done before Thanksgiving, fantastic. Your op-eds, again, that's not a very big assignment. Maybe just get that done, then not have anything to worry about until you get back from Thanksgiving. Okay, so again, for opinion editorial, once again with love, because I do this every time, but it's important that you know how to do this. Come on, we're in the home stretch here. Let's not be getting stuck on the link here. Come on. There we go. All right. So agree to submit your paper. Again, you upload your paper there. Let's take a look at the rubric for the op-ed. Okay. Basically, again, it's an APA formatting with a title page. Looking for a clever title. All right. Thesis is clear. Grammar is good. Last sentence. Again, all this is explained in the video for the op-ed. So there's your word count. APA formatting issues, title page is different from the overall APA, and then tone is appropriate. Again, not a super hard assignment, as long as you kind of follow the directions. So that's it for the op-ed assignment, and again, that is due by Thursday, December the 5th. Okay, so that's it for week 14. So go ahead and do the stuff for this week, and then enjoy your Thanksgiving break, and then we'll come back and finish the semester. All right, go do it.